Hi, I'm Mary Kibler, and this is Gracie Kibler. And we have a Merry Minute with Gracie today. Gracie was actually pretty traumatized by the fireworks on New Year's Eve and the day after. She would cower and go into the bedroom and just lay there. She was so scared. She was so scared. And she didn't know that the fireworks couldn't hurt her. And we're kind of like that sometimes if we let the devil traumatize us. He tries. He has fiery darts that he puts in the air and in your thoughts and stuff. And he just tries to traumatize us. But put up your shield of faith and quench all those fiery darts, because they won't hurt you. They can't hurt you unless you dwell on them and fear comes out of your mouth. So don't let that happen. You just think about that and have a Jesus-filled day.